What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Wednesday, December 23rd, 2020. We have some spectacular speculations from a very credible source. They're saying that we could possibly be seeing $50 an ounce silver by the end of next year. We're going to be talking about that later in today's video, but first, let's take a look at the markets and see where we're starting today off at. Gold is down slightly, currently at $1868.84. Silver is steady, currently at $25.46, and that gives us a ratio of 73.40. Platinum is just over $1,000, currently at $1,016.97. Palladium is steady at $23.59.39, and rhodium is at $16,100. In base metals, we are seeing an upswing after yesterday's losses. Copper is currently at $3.52. Nickel is at $7.63. Aluminum is at 90 cents. Zinc is at $1.26, and lead is steady at 88 cents. Barrels of crude oil also steady, currently at 47.07. We saw a mixed day on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow Jones was down 200 points, closing out at 30,015.51. The Nasdaq was up 65 points, closing out at 12,807.92, and the S&P 500 was down just 7 points at 3687.26. We did see a little bit of a gain in the U.S. dollar index yesterday. Currently, it sits at 90.45. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, we did see a rally overnight. Let's see, it was about 8 o'clock last night. We did see Bitcoin go back over $24,000, but it came back down, of course. Currently at $23,732.28. It is rallying this morning. And if you guys happen to exchange gold back, whether that be the Utah or the Nevada, those are exchanging at $3.26 currently today. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're going to be looking at an article that comes to us from Anna Golubova over at Kitco News. This is titled, "Silver May Take the Gold. Bloomberg Intelligence is looking at $50 silver." The silver's bull market is just beginning, said Bloomberg Intelligence, which sees silver as a primary metal benefiting from electrification and quantitative easing next year. The precious metal will follow in gold's footsteps towards its own record high, said Bloomberg Intelligence senior commodity strategist Mike McGlone. Quote, "Silver may be a primary metal at the forefront of favorable trends in electrification and quantitative easing, with technicals pointing to a nascent bull market in our view," McGlone noted on Monday. Uniquely precious and increasingly industrial, probabilities lean towards the metal, known as the leveraged gold, following its yellow peer to new highs. New record highs for the silver market would be a breach of the $50 an ounce level, a move likely that would double silver's current trading levels. At the time of writing, March COMEX silver was trading at $25.37, down 3.83% on the day. This article is from yesterday. Bloomberg Intelligence compares silver prices potential to that of 2008, which saw the start of a rally that took the metal to nearly $50. Annual technical indicators for silver are akin to those during turns higher at the start of the new millennium and following 2008. We see the metal following a similar trajectory as the aftermath of the financial crisis towards $50 an ounce, but with greater potential for staying power on the path paved by gold, McGlone said. This year's breach of $20 resistance levels was very significant for the metal and will help silver move higher next year. There's a good chance that the 2020 low at about $12 will be as endearing as about the $8.50 from 2008, which hasn't traded since, McGlone pointed out. The 2008 launch pad peaked in 2011 with silver matching the 1980 high of about $50. Underpinnings are firmer this time, as evidenced by the 5-year moving average recently toward turning upward. A risk-off event like 1Q, which I'm not sure what that is, should find good silver support at around $20. This year's price action was especially volatile amid all the coronavirus disruptions, with silver first falling below $12 and then surging to a 7-year high of nearly $30. Our take is bull markets are supposed to get overextended, and this one may be just the beginning. The market has turned upward following an extended period of subdued prices and may just need some back and fill before resuming the rally, McGlone noted. Technicals point to responsive buyers as more likely to prevail on dips than sellers on rallies. So there you have it, guys. Bloomberg is calling for $50 silver, and we might see it next year. I mean, fingers crossed, we might see it, and we can see some people start reaping some benefits of all the collecting we've done over the years. What do you guys think? There wasn't a lot of technical data there that they're supporting. They're just stating that the 5-year average is turning up. I think $50 might be a little bit high for next year, but we will see. We've got a lot of global items that are happening. Of course, we got Biden taking office next month, and we've read a lot here on this channel in the last few months that could be good for silver prices. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'd be interested to hear what you have to say on this topic. I do greatly appreciate every single one of you guys, and if you happen to appreciate old IndieXP Bullion, please consider hitting that subscribe button. That's the subscribe. This is the like button. That thumbs up button right there. Hit that one for me because it helps me out with the YouTube algorithms. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date when all the latest and greatest content comes out, consider hitting that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can stay notified of when the new content comes out. Of course, we're going to pop the box up here in the corner, and that's going to be the gateway to the back catalog. Somewhere around 415 videos strong now. Click on that at the end of this video and you can start catching up on all the great content. Guys, I've been IndieXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.